Yes, hello everyone. Good evening. Good evening, my YouTube babies. Welcome back to other session of paper one revision. As you know, the exams are nearby. We'll be strengthening our revision parts and all. Today we have ICT. It's a very important topic in paper one net exam. Yes, welcome everyone to the live session of paper one today. Yes, YouTube babies. I'm waiting for you to here to join. Yes, good evening, Anjan. Good evening, Deepa. Good evening. You can see the live chats from here. Ashita, good evening. Yes, thank you. Good evening. Welcome, YouTube babies. How are your studies going on, Mangala? Good evening. How is the studies going on? Is it going well? Like, we'll be having just 30 days or 35 days in front of you. As if the exam is going on as per the tentative date, you will be having just 35 or like that days will be left off. Okay. So within 1 month, you will have the exam, June exam you'll be having. So this time, those who are trying for JRF, those who are trying for NET, definitely you are going to clear it, guys. I'm very sure. You are learning with us. Superb. We'll be having marathon revision sessions on paper one, paper two, everything. Like you are relying on the YouTube live sessions. I know that. So we'll not disappoint you. We'll be coming with live revision sessions. Yes. And then, yes, okay, I can see you. Anxiety levels high, I can know that. But don't be too much stressed because this is just a competitive exams that you are writing. Maybe like this time you will clear or the next time. You don't know what is a fate is, but don't be too much stressed then spoil your life. Don't spoil the like good days that you have in front of you. Okay, it's just a competitive exam. The worst that can happen is you won't pass. The best is you will pass. Nothing other than that. So think of the extreme and then follow. Don't be too much stressed out here. Okay, just listen to good music. Go for good films and all, like by adjusting your time and all. Yes, Logesh, good evening. Can we start with ICT part questions now? I think you're eagerly waiting for the quiz series. Yes, we are having online quiz series of ICT. Yes. Do you know ICT? It's a very important topic in NTA NET exam, information, communication, and technology. And the trend of the questions now, they have been asking, like the last time in January 2025, they have asked so much of full forms, abbreviations in the ICT part. And also the conversion questions are very important. Conversion part, conversion questions, converting binary to decimal, like the decimal to hexadecimal, and the septal form, octal form. These are very important parts. Conversion. So when regarding like last time when we have done the marathon revision sessions and all, we have dealt with the conversion part and also with the abbreviations. Okay, full forms of all those things that you should learn. And basically the digital initiatives in the higher education part, that is also the questions that are coming under the ICT part. So here that you should take care of that. You should think that questions, the trend of questions are being changed. So whenever you are practicing the PYQs or something like that, don't go beyond 2022. Every time I used to say to my students and also to my YouTube babies, don't go beyond 2022. The maximum that you can go is 2022, 23, and 24. So the trend is changed every time. Okay. So give more focus onto the questions that are previously asked. So full forms on all those things. Okay. So going to the first question, are you ready? Yes, I can see the chats. Yes, please share this video to your friends also. Let them also learn, guys. Which of the following is used to protect the private network from external attacks? Is it firewall? Is it concrete wall? Is it encryption or is it digital signature? Yes, Ankini, good evening. Yes, is it firewall, concrete wall? Concrete wall. Just I made the options like you are thinking that Jobins should be the option maker in the NTA also. So such a comedy options that you can have. Okay. Encryption, digital signature, digital signature. That means you should protect the network from external attacks. So network will be having external attacks. So encryption, what do you mean by encryption? Encrypting the data, you know that. Digital signature. Digital signature. Yeah, encrypted means like you know the code and encrypting the code and all, encryption and decryption. Okay. So the answer is firewall here. Digital signature, you know, it is signing the digital one, just called as the digital signature. Okay. So that is the firewall is the answer. Everybody have answered it correctly. Going to the next one. Junk email is also known as spoof, sniffer script, spool, and spam. Junk email. Junk email. What do you know by junk email? It's also known as spoof, sniffer script, spool, spam. Yes, what is that? It is spoof. What do you mean by spoof? Spoof means maybe like, you know, like spoofing the cinemas. Like you can make a comedy part of the cinemas or maybe other variations, you know, the script variations and all with the cinemas and all. Spoofing of the cinemas. Okay, it's called spam. It's called spam. So junk email is called spam. Okay, that is the answer. To next one. Which digital platform of Ministry of Education has been developed for open access to academic resources? So is it National Digital Library of India, or is it EPG Pathshala, or is it Vidyamitra, or is it Swayam Prabha? Okay, so like these topics regarding with the digital initiatives can come under teaching aptitude also, because you have a like unit or a topic in the syllabus teaching aptitude where you have to study about the digital initiatives. Okay, so it will coincide with the same thing with the ICT also. So if you study both unit, when both the units, you can attempt the questions. So it is very important that you study about the digital initiatives of the government of India, basically government of India, the central government. There are many digital initiatives that we should discuss and then study. So here are National Digital Library of India, EPG Pathshala, Vidyamitra, and Swayam Prabha. Swayam and Swayam Prabha, one of the sure short part that you can get questions from. Swayam and Swayam Prabha. Sure short part. The answer goes with D. Is it one? The answer is National Digital Library of India, NDL. It is NDL. Swayam Prabha is actually the DTH channels, direct to home channels. Okay. There are like near to 40 DTH channels that we have. And then it is telecasted through a satellite, which is a satellite that is telecasted, which is a satellite that is used to telecast the channels in Swayam Prabha. Yes, guys, I need the answer from you. Which is the satellite that is used to telecast the channels. Yes. Answers? It's GSAT 15. It's GSAT 15. Okay. This GSAT 15 is the satellites. So NDL, it is an initiative of Ministry of Education by the Government of India. Previously, the Ministry of Education is known as Ministry of Human Resource and Development, MHRD. It aims to provide a single window access to a large collection of academic content, including books, articles, videos, audiobooks, lectures, simulations, fiction, and all other kinds of learning media. So NDL is trying to give you a holistic approach to the e-content of the academic area. Audiobooks are there, articles are. It's a form of national like digital library. It's like the InflibNet, that is the information library networking is like what you know is sharing the is doing the like nodal part. Is the nodal agency for this. InflibNet is controlling all this. InflibNet, okay, information and library network. InflibNet. And you know who is the Minister of Education right now of Government of India? Minister of Education. That is, you should know all these current affairs too. Yes, I need the answers in the live chat, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. So everybody is liking the videos, loving the video. Share with your friends. Let them also learn the paper one part, which is our Minister of Education of Government of India. Dharmendra Pradhan. Anjan, you are correct. Very good. Superb. Answers are coming in the live chats. I can see that. Very good. So the next question. Which of the following are resources of the operating system? So for a computer or a laptop, for a device, computer device, you need an operating system, basically like Ubuntu or Windows All those things are operating system. So which are the resources of operating system? Is it the RAM? Is it the CPU? Is it the files in the disk? Or is it all of the above? Yes, Indradeep, I saw your answer. Very good. Dharmendra Pradhan. That's correct. Which of the following are the resources of the operating system? Is it RAM? RAM means random access memory. CPU, central processing unit. Files in the disk, or all of the above. Okay. So some answers like 4, 2. Okay. It's all of the above is the answer. So for operating system, we need RAM, we need CPU. Obviously, central processing unit is needed. Files on the disk is needed, obviously, because like in the drive, like maybe in the operating system drive, we have OS drive. That means main C drive. What we have, we should have that. So all of the above is the answer. Okay. Which of the following is incorrect about DigiLocker? Incorrect about DigiLocker. So we need to know about DigiLocker. It is a digital locker system offered by the government under the Digital India program. Is it right? It allows user to access their e-documents irrespective of physical location. Okay. It provides financial and technical assistance to young startup entrepreneurs, or none of the above, which is incorrect. Not correct, which is incorrect about DigiLocker. I think you will be familiar with the DigiLocker system. Okay. So then that you should be familiar, because it's a very important, like maybe a application or a software. It's a system that you should know, because it's very useful. Yes, everybody is answering S3. You're very sure of. I know that you will be using all this DigiLocker, safeguarding all your certificates and all physical, not physically, as a soft copy. It provides financial and technical assistance to young entrepreneurs. No, it does not provide. It is a digital locker system offered by the government. Okay, under the Digital India program, you can safeguard your certificates and you can access the documents, e-documents from everywhere. Okay, not irrespective of the physical location, you can access it. So that's a very useful platform. Which tools will you use to prepare schedules and class timetables? Microsoft Outlook, Trello, Google Calendar, Tally, and Koha. So which are the things that you will use to prepare schedules? Yes. Answers. I need answers. Yes. Is it ABC? Is it BCD? Is it CDE? Or is it ACE? Calendar, obviously, you will use. So C will be there, right? So every option C is also there. Tally, will you use Tally? Tally is not for the timetable schedule. Tally is for the accountancy part and all, account part and all. Not tallies for the accounting keeping and not for the schedules. Okay. So the answer is ABC. Microsoft Outlook you will use. Trello is a part. Trello is also a platform. Google Calendar also is a platform that you can use to prepare schedules. Tally, as I already told you, it's for preparing the like the accounting parts and all. And Koha is used for the library. It's like a library platform. All over the world, it is used to use for the virtual libraries and all. Koha. Okay. That is it. Library software it is. Koha. Okay. That is it. So ABC is the answer. Which operating system is used by the Apple computer systems, an American technology company, Apple? You're very familiar with the Apple. You're all iPhone users, iPad users. I know that. Okay. Which is the company or which is the operating system used by the Apple computer systems? Linux, Windows, Solaris, and Mac. Linux, obviously not. Windows. Apple is not using Windows. You know that Apple is using Mac. Actually, it is called MacBook and all Mac. Mac is a software used by the Apple computer systems. Very good. Don't think that these are easy questions. Okay. These are easy questions. That is why, like, this is how you can answer it is you're very close to the technology part. Okay. So you should be close to the technology part. So this is very important that don't think that this is such an easy question. As you are close, like there may be persons that they don't know this. So These are very important. So close to technology or being close to technology is a very mandatory part nowadays. So you should be. Which of the following is the binary equivalent to 25? So what do you want to do binary? So you should change the decimal number 25 to the binary part. Just divide 25 by 2, binary. So then what is the remainder? Then divide the quotient that you got by dividing 25 by 2 at the first instance. Then that divide by 2 again. So continue till you get the quotient as 0. Continue till the quotient is 0. Yes. You can easily divide 25 by 2. 25 by 2 you can divide. Okay. Then find the remainder. Then that remainder should be taken in the reverse order. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes. 25 by 2 you can divide. So 2 are you getting? Yes. I look for the answer. The answer is 11001. Correct. How? 25 by 2, the answer is 12 with the remainder 1. Then again 12 should be divided by 2. The remainder is 0. So the quotient is 6. Then again 6 by 2. The quotient is 3, remainder 0. 3 by 2, 1. And the quotient is 1. Now 1 by 2, you can write the quotient as 0 into 1 gives 0. The remainder will be 1 again. So here, what you want to have is, the remainder should be written in the reverse order. 11001. That is it. That is the answer, 11001. From the down, should be written in the reverse order. 11001 should be written. Okay. So that's it. So file and file format. File and file format. Video, podcast, photograph, spreadsheet, and which is a file format. This is a PYQ, guys. This is a PYQ. I told you, like, no knowledge is it's a least one. Every knowledge you have is a prime or important one, prior one that you have. So video, what is the format? Video, file format. Sorry. Podcast means like audios that you have. Just the file or file format of audios. Photograph. Easily you can have photograph. You can associate with the JPG, right? JPG. So C2. So the options with the C2 are 3 and 4. Then coming to spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means Excel. Or like same as what Excel is. Video is MP4 that you can relate with. The video is MP4 or podcast is MP3. So B4. So B4 is again there are 3 and 4. So you should know for video also that is MP4, A3. So 3 will be the answer. Yeah, option 3 will be the answer. That is video we have MP4. Podcast we have MP3. Photograph we have JPG. And JPEG is also there. JPEG is also there. Spreadsheet XLSX. XLSX. That is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. Okay. Can I move on to the next one? What is the email attachment size limit in Gmail? Yeah. Whenever there is a like email that you're sending, there is an attachment size limit in the Gmail part. Like they will be telling that you have exceeded the size limit and this will be sent in Google Drive links. Okay. What is the answer? Is it 10 MB, megabytes? And you know, conversions also you should know, like megabyte to gigabyte, gigabytes to terabytes, zettabytes, and all, KB, kilobytes and all. So it's very important. So 10 MB, 15 MB, 25 MB, and 40 MB. What is the answer? That is the size limit. I told you, like each of the things when you're coming in interaction with the technology part, you should note down. Okay, whenever you're sending an email, like how to send. What do you mean by CC? Like there are CC, to mail, like where you are typing the to mail. So all those things that you should keep in mind. HTTPS that you see in the website addresses. That has been asked, the full forms. So you should have a query to like ask those things or search for these things. Okay, these are all technological knowledge that you have. So here the answer is 25 MB. 25 MB. Very good. 25 MB is the size limit, attachment size limit in the Gmail part. Next question. Google Drive is an extension of Google Docs and provides cloud storage services. iCloud is a cloud storage service provided by Apple. Okay, statement 1 is true, 2 is false. 1 is false, 2 is true. Both statement 1 and 2 are true, and statement 1 and 2 are false. Statement level questions, you can expect it from ICT part. Okay. Yes, guys, I'm seeing your answers. I'm very happy to see that they are all correct answers also. Superb. Do you think that the statement 1 is correct? Google Drive is an extension of Google Docs and provides cloud storage services. iCloud is a cloud storage service provided by the Apple. Do you think that both statement 1 and 2 are true? Yes. I'm getting the answer. Both 1 and 2 are true. Any different answers? Let me check the answer. Both statement 1 and 2 are true. They are. They are the extension. Google Drive is an extension of Google Docs. Google. Okay. And it provides obviously cloud storage. What do you mean by cloud storage? What do you mean by that? Cloud storage is you can access whenever, if at all you are storing in that storage device, that means in a cloud storage platform, you can access it from anywhere you are. For example, if I am doing a PowerPoint in this computer and saving it in a Google Drive, I can access that PowerPoint slides from anywhere if I know the email password and or Google password and the mail ID. Okay, so I can access it from anywhere. That is what you known as cloud storage. So iCloud is a cloud storage service provided by the Apple. Okay, Google Drive is by the Google Docs. What does URL? I told you. The full forms are very, very, very important. URL. I told you like there are like what do you mean by there are HTTPS when you access a website. So there are URL for every website. URL, that copy link URL, whenever you copy a YouTube video link and all, there will be copy URL, copy link URL and all. Copy URL link and all. What is that? Universal resource location, universal response locator, unified response location, uniform resource locator. Yes. I can see you the answer, guys. You can see the answer from you, guys. Superb. Correct answers. Uniform resource locator is the answer. Uniform resource locator is the answer. Very good. Next question. Which is the true statement about an operating system? Which is the true statement about an operating system? An OS controls peripheral, allocates memory, and organizes data into fields and records. An OS provides protection against viruses and controls peripherals. An OS controls peripheral and allocates memory and the processor time. Okay. And then fourth is an OS controls the processor and peripherals and allows the user to connect to the internet, which is the correct option. True statement about operating system. Operating system, you know, Windows, Ubuntu, all those things are like Mac is an operating system used by Apple. All these are operating systems. So you should have an idea about the operating systems. What all? Does it controls only peripheral and allocates memory and organizes data into fields and records? Is it that the operating system do? Okay. Can I move on to the correct answer? The correct answer is 3. And OS controls peripheral and allocates memory and processor time. 3 is the correct answer. Why? 3 is the correct answer. It does not like it and does not allow the user to connect. Like connecting to the internet is other thing. It's not operating system. Okay. Viruses and control, it's actually like you have antiviruses and all, not with the operating systems that you have. Yes, guys. So we are stopping here with the ICT parts. I think you got many informations regarding the ICT part. I think it was useful. No, I think no, even a single knowledge is not least or is not, you don't think that it is not useful. It is useful. You can see the questions with, like you will think that is very easy, but it will be useful in the exams and all. So give more emphasis to paper 1 and also paper 2. Study more. If exams are nearby, we will be arranging revision sessions. I know you are relying on the YouTube videos and all. We will do our maximum. We will do our level best to ensure that you are going to crack this exam.